So the lock that I'm going to be picking is this TESA Te5. It's a 5-pin lock with tapered edge pins. It's a Spanish made lock under the Acerabloy umbrella, if you like. And the lock was sent to me by TALLAN, who's on YouTube. He's an extraordinarily good picker. Please check his channel out, it's in the description below. He not only sent us this one, but he sent us about another 6 locks. He sent us a dome lock and a few others. I'll put some pictures in the end of this video. But what I'm going to do is pick this lock on camera. And the best way that I've found by doing research and watching the videos that everyone posts is heavy tension to prevent the pins from oversetting, because they are tapered edge pins. And you've got to pick each pin multiple times, so just move each pin a little bit at a time and eventually it'll pop. So I'm just going to turn that slightly. Hopefully you can still see it. I'll zoom in slightly. Just adjust the camera so he's got a good angle. Is it going to focus? That's it. So we'll start the picking. So heavy tension. So 1 straight away was binding. 2 isn't. 3 a tiny click. 4 under 5. Click off 5. Nothing on 4. 3's binding. Three went, 2's loose, 1 is where it needs to be, I think. 4, nothing. 5, overset. 4, 3, under 1. 2's now binding again. Maybe the last pin. There you are. That's the TESA Te5 picked. So we're going to get it gutted to see what's an absolute nightmare getting these buggers off. So I've gotten them off. So we're going to gut the lock. Sorry about the wobbly camera. I'm on the kitchen table. I'll try and be as still as I can. Put that down there. I haven't got the key for this lock either, so hopefully that'll come out now. Which it isn't. I've lost a pin already. There's 1 pin. I think we're just going to have to get them out one by one. 2. That was 4. 3. 2. And 1. Key pins 5, 4. Yeah, I thought 4 was a serrated pin, to be honest. 3, also serrated. 2 and 1. Nothing weird about that. Though I do remember Lockpicking lawyer telling us why there's a bigger gap here than anywhere else, and that's so they can have a really deep cut in one of these holes. I can't remember which way it was round, but it worked. That's the reason behind the bigger gap here, to allow a bigger cut. I wish I had the key to show you, but I haven't. Though I have got a couple of more TESA locks with the keys. So that's it there, stamp made in Spain. Looking inside, there's nothing weird in there.